Our neighborhood decided to make a caterpillar out of painted rocks this summer along our walking path. My daughter wanted to add to it, so she invited some friends over and they had a blast painting rocks. We started with a bag of round pebbles that I found at the hardware store, and I painted some of them with a base coat and we left some of them gray. We used our new DecoColor paint markers from Marvy Uchida, and they're perfect for this kid's project. These markers are oil-based, so the paint will survive out in the elements, and the different sized nibs are perfect for all of the detailing on the rocks. The kids got really creative and painted things from movie characters to food to cartoon characters. And once they were dry, we headed to the neighborhood path to add them onto the caterpillar. It's been really fun watching him grow this summer. Each morning when I walk the path, I find new rocks that have been added on. This would be an easy project to start in your neighborhood, and it's a great way for kids and adults to be creative. Because let's be real, I love painting the rocks as much as the kids.